Thank you, Your Majesty, for receiving me with my team as Ambassador of Spain to visit you and to give you our respect and friendship as in your very important position. I have been appointed recently, some months ago, as ambassador here of Spain in the Republic of Ghana. And I, from the very beginning, had the intention and the wish to visit its authorities, and of course, also the most important traditional leaders that rule in the country. Of course, your Ga Mantse, your very high position, is the first one of these visits of the traditional leaders that I have done at this moment. No? So it's the beginning of a dialogue, of a conversation, and of a meeting with the important traditional authorities and ruling authorities of these countries. No? It comes with this pleasure of knowing better your country, improving the relations of Spain and Ghana as a whole, but of course this means improving the relations with each part and piece of Ghana. I am the ambassador of Spain, of course, in Ghana, but not only in Accra also. So I am also the ambassador that have to be present all around the country. But of course your ruling family are a very important one, and I of course wanted to pay respect to you with the wish that the relations between Ghana and Accra and Spain and my country and the Embassy of Spain are with a lot of content, with ideas and with initiatives. So that's the reason of my visit here. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Your Excellency. We are grateful this morning that you have come to your team to honor our stool. The Ga Mantse Palace, it's the source of our tradition, culture, and norms, and its usage. And today, the whole Ghana State welcomes you. I know that your job as an ambassador for representing Spain has quite a repertoire of a number of things that you are committed to do, a huge responsibility. We are ready to cooperate with you to see where there are mutual interests, where we can both, look at and see to define a relationship. It starts from today. So, apart from welcoming you, this is a more introductory sort of meeting, but we will, going forward, attach you to our business desk so that we can define mutual interests where the two sides bilaterally can collaborate on. We have several endowments, especially with the Ga Mantse Foundation, that we are doing, especially education of your girl child. And then also, like you said, infrastructure, having Spain to help with our education and all that, and transfer of technology, cognitive AI technology and all that, interest that we have, in terms of our human development. So we are grateful that you have come, and we will set up this by our Chief of Staff, and you'll hear from us very soon. Thank you, sir, for coming.
Yes, Your Majesty, of course. I wanted also to mention and underline the importance of the foundation that you have. I have read a lot of the different programs and issues that you are doing there. And I would like very much to understand and to see more, to find ways of contributing and cooperating with this foundation. It is a very social and important initiative that you are dealing with, and that's something that Your Majesty will be convinced that from our embassy and from the Spanish embassy we will do our best to try to foster what you have, your initiatives, and the initiatives that you have putting into motion regarding the objectives of this foundation. I think this is a very interesting and good way forward in cooperation, in cooperating with the embassy and trying to find in the different areas. There are many different social areas where you are working through the foundation, that we would like to find this way that you have allowed me to open and to try to find a way forward, you know, where we can work together. So this is mine.